fighting won't stop it. When people disagree, sometimes they need someone who's not involved to settle things.
Johnny could he's not rooting for either team.
Good thinking. Instead of fighting when you disagree, look for a better way.
Now we know.
And knowing is half the battle.
G.I. Joe will return after these messages. Now, back to G.I. Joe.
Hello Joe fans, Indian Toy Gani here. Welcome to another super exciting G.I. Joe review. Today I will be talking about anti-tank cannon expert Cutter. Well, that's what the Fun School card says about him. Here is the Fun School card. On the other hand, Hasbro card says he is a sea operations specialist. Here is the Hasbro Cutter card information. Both cards gives different information. They are of different colors as well, but doing same work, kicking Cobra Commander's butt. Who is Cutter? Cutter is a fictional character from the G.I. Joe, a real American hero, toy line, comic books and animated series. 1984 was the year of his debut. He is the G.I. Joe team's hovercraft pilot. His real name is Skip A. Stone and his rank is that of Coast Guard Lieutenant Junior, grade O2. Cutter was born in Kansas. He is hovercraft captain and also a swimming coach of women's team. In the Marvel Comics G.I. Joe series, he first appeared in issue 25, released in July 1984, as the commander of the ship G.I. Joe Gen. He appeared in the second mini-series, The Revenge of the Cobra. Cutter was released in 1984, packed with a Well hovercraft, which was known as version 1. A new version of Cutter was released in year 1992, that was known as version 2, as a part of DEF, stands for Drug Elimination Force line. The figure was repainted and released as a part of the Battle Corps line in 1993, packed with a Shark 9000. In the year 2001, version 4 was released as a part of 17 series packed exclusively with the NLC, stands for Night Landing Craft. And finally, in year 2008, Toys R Us exclusive G.I. Joe Sea Command 3-figure set was released, where Cutter was with Deep Six version 6 and Lieutenant Torpedo version 2. Now let's take a close-up look at this Fun School Cutter. This Fun School version of Cutter was released in India in year 2000. Cutter has standard G.I. Joe articulation. Entire figure is based on O-ring. Well, appearance-wise, he is very unique in his own way because he is sporting a trim mustache. On top we can see he is wearing blue baseball cap. On his upper body he is wearing a thermally insulated rough sea life vest in orange color. Here is the vest from backside. This is how it looks. On his vest, 3 things are molded. First one is a fully functioning communicator or maybe a walkie-talkie here in front. Next, he is carrying a small arms spare pistol which is holstered here. Next to that, he is carrying a concussion grenade. Here it is. He is wearing blue gloves. He is wearing a white belt. According to content list in front here, he is carrying a oxygen tablet pouch. There we go. He's pretty much plain at the bottom. He's not carrying anything here. At the bottom, we can see he is wearing a waterproof SureFit spats along with a pair of black shoes. Well, I certainly do not have all his accessories, but I do have his high-powered launcher. Here is his launcher in red color. Look at the details on it. Wow, they are simply amazing. I have never seen any other Joe who comes with this kind of contraption. It actually shoots missile. This portion is spring loaded. Well, US released a version of Cutter used to come with the same launcher, but it was translucent. This launcher is very unique in its own way. Here are his other accessories: long neck black colored flashlight, BM201 short stock automatic submachine gun, and a black missile. So that's the information I have about Cutter. If you like my video, then please give a thumbs up and share it. And also show your support by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Yo Joe, stay tuned.